Hello planner lovelies, I hope you guys are doing well and are super excited for this week. It is the week of Thanksgiving and I am not using a traditional Thanksgiving kit. This is the first time in 3 years that I've been on YouTube. This is my third Thanksgiving and I decided to go with the Giving Girls Cozy Sunday kit simply because I feel that our Thanksgiving is very quiet compared to most people's. We don't have family in the area. It's just me, my husband, and the kids, so we do a very light, very relaxed Thanksgiving. And this year will be even more relaxed because obviously my husband has had surgery, if you guys haven't been following along. And I have been posting late, so I know that it's not just that. And I haven't been on Instagram just because I've been so consumed with taking care of him and just doing everything that I need to do there with insurance and paperwork and all that craziness. So we're going to use this kit. I got it in her very last $12 Thursday, which was a full foil kit. Now she offers a couple of times a month I think it's like a mini Monday. You get a mini foiled kit for $8, but it is premium matte paper and she does let you choose your foils. So I chose silver foil, and I haven't used a foil kit in a long time since I used to PR with, she used to be Watercolor Blooms. Now she has a full design shop, and Gina, it's like Gilded Press now. So I used to PR for her a long time ago when she first opened, and I haven't used a foil kit since then, I don't think, except for my monthly, which is my Thanksgiving themed spread, which this was from Sticker Bloom. And yeah, I just posted my last plan with me yesterday, so I'm going to go with this one until my camera overheats, and we'll just figure it out from there. So check out all the links in the description box for the Giving Girl, the Plan With Me design group, and anything else that's pertinent as we go along here. I didn't go through the kit. So here is the full box page, the date covers, washi, and weekend banner. I'm all turned around here. We have sidebar, little things, headers, full box checklist, some scallop checklist, lots and lots of boxes and little things, some plain headers and washi headers, checklists and flags, glitter headers and pattern headers with the foil, some foiled icons, and then we have online orders, which will be good for Black Friday if I have any spare money. And then we have some whited out boxes with foil, some various other washi, and some foiled half boxes and a foiled third box. So this was 8 pages of fun stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this, and I will talk to you guys again at the end. that's gonna do it for my Cozy Sunday Giving Girl Thanksgiving kit. Let me tell you, this matte paper, if you don't have undo, it will rip the page. It's the first one I've ever come across, but it's a beautiful soft paper and it takes the foiling just beautifully, so it's probably why she uses something that was super adhesion. Do a little wiggle here, a little foil wiggle. We've got all this foil. I understand why foil is so popular, but at the same time, I'm just like, I just can't see paying $35–40 for a week. So, it makes no sense. But anyway, so really quick, I used my work scripts for my work schedule this week, as I'll be off these 2 days, and of course the weekend. I'm off every weekend. I work Monday through Friday. I typically don't put work in because I do work Monday through Friday, the same schedule. I'm a full-time employee. That's what I do. So those work scripts are, and the family time script are from Formless Designs. The film script is from amandakcrafts. This bow is from ColourPop paper. It was a freebie. The No School and the trash can are from Stickerific, and this little girl here is from amandakcrafts as well. Everything else was in the kit. So this is a huge kit, and I have enough here to definitely do another like personal size spread. So you can see here, I didn't even put a dent in this page. I used the little checklist and like 3 of those. I'll probably use more of this throughout the week. I have 1 full box. I have these 2 whited out boxes and washi, tons of half boxes, and again, barely touched this sheet. So definitely can get more out of this as a white space planner, which I love. It's kind of why I've really went to white space, and so I can get more out of a kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to check out the Plan With Me design group, and I will talk to you guys again very, very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.